Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your phone with your Instagram. So if you see Instagram no internet connection, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, so just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restart your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power on the phone again, so just simply restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you need to try to update your phone, your app, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Instagram, and if you see here not open with update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully shows latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.